What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on Honda Civic. Not on the Mazda Speed today, or the G35 is going to be another car, like I said, a Honda. So this is show you guys how to replace your field door actuator. So this is a common issue on these cars. So I'm going to show you what the sound is doing and what to look for if your car is doing this. Yeah, sorry for the beard in here. Yes, man, I just woke up. Yeah, look straggly right now. But let's get to this video. All right, so we have this is a 2016 Honda Civic. So I want to show you guys what the sound look for if your car's doing this. This is what it is. So if we do the lock, it does that. So if your car is doing that, it's your field door actuator. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. So it's pretty simple. You gotta do a few steps. You have to lift the car up. You don't have to take the wheel off. I'm gonna take the wheel off anyway to make it more easier, because you have to take off the underneath of the side panels off. So then you gotta open the trunk and get to a little part that's in the trunk. So I'm gonna lift the car up and put it on a jack stand and yeah, go from there. So I jacked the car up. So yeah, it's enough room where you don't have to take the wheel off. So I'm just gonna leave it. So you take off the tabs right here. There's one up there, right there. So once you take those three off, you peel this cover back so you can get to the field door, because you have to unplug a little grommet piece where I will show you. Oh, and these right here, take these off too, so you can peel it back. It's right there. So yeah, just do that. So there you go, peel it back, just have it scoot to the side like that behind the wheel. So there's another tab. It's this one, looks like this. It's on the side, right there. It's right there. It's up here somewhere. That tab, but you can see there's an actuator right there. There you go. So you see there's a connector, and that's why I say you gotta open the trunk, because you gotta see that little grommet. You gotta get a clip off from there. We gotta open the trunk to get to it. But yeah, let's get to the trunk and I'll show you. So we in the trunk. So see this? You take this off, then there's the grommet right there that I was showing you guys. It's a plastic one, not plastic, but it's a rubber. So all you do is just kind of pinch it and feed it through the frame. But first you want to take off this tab right here. So take that off. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just do it, but just try not to break it. You can see there's two little tabs on the side there. Trying to just pull those back and push down. Let's do that right now. There you go. So next, because you want to take this white part off. So all you gotta do is there's a split going down the middle. Like I said, I can't do it with two hands. I put the phone down and do it with two hands because I can't do it in one. But you just see how it's split down the middle. You just pull it out from there. So we do that. Once you do that, you get the grommet right here. Just kind of squeeze the sides and then push it out, and so it goes through the frame. Then you pull it out from the outside from the field door. So let's do that right now. See, just like that. See how it's inside now? So yeah, now you can pull the whole thing out. So I'll show you guys the next step. So next step, you open your field door. You just actuator and replace it right here. That's how it looks like. So next step now, so you can get a screwdriver or a flathead and kind of pry in like in the edges right here. And there's a little clamp in here, so all you do is just try to catch it and come out. You see how it does? So yeah, so you do that right now. All right, so it's out. So get your connector, and again, you gotta just put the phone down. But this is what it looks like. So you just disconnect it from there, and then it pulls out, and then you get your new one. So we'll take it off right now, and I'm gonna talk to you guys. So here it is. This is the old one. So yeah, toss this, and you get your new one. So here's your new one. So yes, like I said, this is simple, it's easy. A few things to take off, but it's simple. Now you just go in reverse, put everything back to how you took the old one out. So plug it in, and I'll go underneath the car and put the grommet back in and go from there. So I'll show you guys that once I'm done. So there you go. You put it back on, right there. Then you push the grommet. See, boom, right there. So the trunk part is done. That's it. So then you see connector goes on. So just put it back where it was. It was sitting like this. So it just goes like this first. And you just push it down and clip it on. Oh, you go forward first. So stable in. So now let's see if it works. So have it closed. No more sound. Opens. Lock it in. Lock it. Unlock it. There you go. Lock it in place. Lock it. Unlock it. And there you go. That's how you guys replace your fuel door actuator. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. I said it's a simple fix. But yeah, if your car is doing that sound I was showing you earlier, that's what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.